All right, we're going to do a tankless water heater flush. First and foremost, unplug the system. Next, turn the gas valve off. Off. It goes that way. Now the system is off. We are going to turn these valves off. Hot and cold. Okay. So these are the service ports. We are going to open those as soon as we hook up our hoses. Cold, hot. Okay, so we got the hot hooked up here, and we got the cold hooked up here. Okay, what we're going to do, get a gallon of water. This is about a gallon. It's a Home Depot bucket. You're going to use one full container of this tankless water heater descaler. Pour it in. Now you're gonna get one of these pumps from Amazon or wherever. You're gonna connect the cold water to this. Okay, undo this wire. You're going to drop this, sure everything's tight, you're going to drop this right in the bucket. Okay, it's in the bucket. You're going to put your hot right there. I'm actually going to put this up on this little deal. So, gallon of water. One container of descaler. Valves are off for the hots. Valves are off for the cold. What we're going to do is turn the cold on, the hot on. Okay, so what that's going to do is allow water to suck through here into the tankless, descale it, and it's going to exit out through here. Okay, we're going to plug this in. Look at the watercolor in the beginning. Plugging it in. And 45 minutes. Just gonna let it flow. There's no water leaking. That's pretty rare. Usually it leaks right here. We're gonna let this go for 45 minutes, and we'll come back and show you what we got.